Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, we got a treat for you on the channel. Some of you may remember this company from before. Skully's Beard Oil is back on the channel. This time, it's with another seasonal one. So stay tuned after we roll that intro, and I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this oil. Alright guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, for you first time viewers and you long time guys who have yet to subscribe, in just a moment, a little channel watermark's going to pop up down there. Okay, you might want to hover over it, click on it, do whatever it's got to do to pull up subscribe. That way, you know, I'm going to stay in your YouTube timeline. That way you don't have to hope I keep popping up, and you're going to be along for one heck of an enjoyable ride. Alright, now like I said, Skully's Beard Oil with their Marooned scent is back on the channel. Now, we brought one from them before. That was their M80 scent. Look right up top. You're going to see a card for every single beard care, skin care, hair care, whatever. It's going to be sitting right up in there along with a bunch of other neat stuff by some other companies. You might want to give that a look after you watch this video. Now, it is a seasonal scent, so it's only available till September 8th of this year. This one I got with a 4-ounce co-wash. I bought a kit. I'll be bringing the co-wash later on to the channel. It's freaking amazing. Seriously, it really truly is. Now, a little bit of info about Skullys if you're not familiar with them. You can find them at www.skullysbeardoil.com. Crap, I forgot something. I'll be right back. Okay, sorry. I totally forgot a bunch of things I needed for this one particular video. So, as I was saying, you can find them, I believe, at yeah. Alright, let me back up. I totally screwed the pooch on this one, but we're just going to keep it rolling just for the comedic value, okay? You can find them at www.skullysbeardoil.com. They are made in the USA out of Southern Cali. Alright, camera took a dump. As I was saying, hopefully I got that name right again, Chris, if you're watching this one. They do offer a money-back guarantee if you're not happy with your product, and they do have free shipping on returns. They do have free shipping on domestic orders, and they do give you a free sticker and a sample. So, guys, I'm sorry, this video is going to be all kinds of messed up. The freaking thing just dumped again. But there is, like I said, the sample. It's great for like a one-time use thing. And I got it in, what was it this time? Rum Dum, just like last time, no biggie. Yeah, little card that comes with it. I do like the fact they give you really cool stuff. And, well, sorry, gotta hide that code because I plan on using it. So they give you a 15% off code. Not to mention the other thing I thought was kind of neat. They give you a little, hey, cool, look at that. Alright. They will ship worldwide, and honestly, when you go out there and you look on their website, they've got incredible blogs out there, like grooming, trimming, washing, co-washing, how to apply oil, how to apply balm, all the stuff a new beardsman needs to get themselves moving. What I truly liked about this company was their mission statement. Style and personal care should not break your bank. What they're doing is, changing the way you think about men's grooming products by delivering you a premium quality product at radically fair prices. And I'll be honest, the price that I paid for this and the co-wash wasn't that bad. And the dumping continues. It is a 1-ounce green bottle with the little eyedropper top, which, you know, I really like those. There's your oil. I mean, I know no one really cares about the color. You care about the consistency. It is, hope you can see it, it's kind of a light to medium kind of consistency. It's not going to run all down your fingers when you move it, but, you know, it does move around quite a bit. Now, the scent profile on this is seriously really, really tropical. It's coconut, mango, and papaya. Now, I'm going to do the bearded shark thing. God, it smells amazing. I mean, seriously, it's like you're drinking a little tropical drink on an island somewhere. It's a phenomenal scent that sits on your face for a while. I think the scent profile lasted about 6 hours until I went nose blind to it. And my kids just freaking love it whenever I wear it. Now, I know, you're curious about the ingredients. Well, here we go. Golden jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, apricot kernel oil, grapeseed oil, argan oil, vitamin E oil, and fragrance and essential oils. Pretty standard. You know, pretty seriously standard out there for a lot of stuff. Now, if you're unfamiliar with beard oil, it's really, really simple. You need to think of it as a vitamin supplement for your skin. Your body can only produce so many healthy oils that can keep your hair growing out, keep it growing beautiful, keep it growing lush, no split ends, no drying out. Which is the weird thing is if you think about it, if you've ever gone like a couple days without showering, your hair up here gets incredibly greasy and nasty. Your beard dries out and goes brittle. So it needs its own kind of supplements. Essentially what you do is you get however much you need in that little eyedropper top. Alright? Let me seal up the goodness so I don't destroy it. Dispense it into your hand and, rub your hands together really to activate that scent profile. You're going to smell it when you're rubbing your hands together. It warms it up and you work it all the way down to your skin, just going in and rubbing it around, and then you just comb it out or brush it out or do whatever you want to do with your styling. It's going to, give your skin that vitamin supplement it needs. It's going to soften your beard. It's going to take care of like beard itch and beard dandruff. Not to mention, it's going to leave your beard smelling freaking amazing. And I mean, let's be honest, you don't want to get around your better half smelling like a butt, do you? Nobody does. No matter who you're into, you don't like getting up to someone being all stinky like, and if you're one of those weirdos, what? Really? Alright. Here's the fun part for me. Okay, seriously, this is the best part of the video for me. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comments section. I want to know, have you used Skullys before? This is my second time with them, and they're seriously impressing me. So now I got to go back and get some of their, usual in-stock items that they have all the time. Because, man, Chris, seriously, I'm falling for the seasonal stuff, and I'm just loving it. And I'm like, why? Why do you have to leave my life so soon? I know, bad YouTuber moment, but still. Like I said, have you used Skullys before? Your successes, your failures, all that fun stuff. Leave it down below. Let's get a good conversation started on this one, so maybe some new beardsmen out there can really get pulled into that one, or maybe we can all pick up on some other tips and tricks from everybody else. Now, with all that fun stuff being said, for you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Look, I know there's lots of options out there, especially in the beard game, and I'm very, very thankful you chose one of mine. Seriously, I really am. Now, if you guys didn't do it at the beginning of the video, look in that corner. There's going to be a huge channel symbol popping up. Man, go ahead and destroy subscribe. While you're there destroying that one, go ahead and click on the bell icon that's right next to it. That way it's going to notify you every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those wonderful vidges, 2 are going to be popping up. That's right, over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick look at Skully's Marooned Beard Oil. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope all of you have a great day today.